Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, I'm having a little bit of trouble with my tripod. My other one messed up on me, so I'm back to using my much older one, and which is not much better. But I'm back in the kitchen. I'm going to throw something together for the first time. I've never tried it, so I figured I'd try it. Okay, so what I did the other day, I had put a mix together just to throw on some tortilla shells and eat it kind of like a, I don't know, burrito, taco type thing. I'm not sure. But it was really good. And all it was this. I get a jar of chicken. It's just cubed chicken. And conqueso? I don't know. How do you pronounce that? But it's a salsa in cheese. It's really good. So that's exactly what's in there right now. That's all that's in there. You don't have to add salt or pepper or anything like that because this has already got all you need in it. Trust me. Now, what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and try to get this down. And this is the mix right here. That's what it looks like. The chicken just kind of shreds up in there. You know how the canned chicken just falls apart. I'm going to mix it with yellow cornmeal. And I'm going to do it kind of like fritters. So, let me get me a spoon. I'll put this in here so I have a bigger bowl to work with. And I'm not even sure how much stuff I'm going to put in here. I don't know how much it's going to need. So I guess I'll get a little measuring cup so we can judge, you know, about how much we need. Okay. Love that sound. It's my oxygen absorber. And this stuff is not packed, so it should just come out really easy. So I'm going to try a cup first. Well, I can't just move it like my other one. Gosh. I'm trying to adjust this, y'all. It's not working whatsoever. I don't know. Let me back it up a little bit. But anyway, let me get a spoon so I can get this out easier. But this is something you would be able to fix just straight out of your cabinet, and it will taste really good. It should be really popular with the kids, really popular with everybody. Let's try a cup first. A cup full first. You know what? While I'm doing this, I'm going to start heating my pan up. And put a little bit of oil in it. Well, we're doing it like fritters, so I'm going to coat the pan. Probably about that much in there. Okay, can y'all see that? Alright, so I'm making this, yeah, this is thick now. I probably shouldn't have put quite a cup in here, but it'd be alright. See that? That may even be perfect, to be honest with you. You can pop. I'm thinking, y'all, that you could dip it in hot sauce, mild sauce, salsa, ketchup, anything. I know when I eat regular fritters, that's, you know, yellow cornmeal and onions and whatever else you want to throw in there, I use ketchup. I always have, and I love just plain old fritters with onions. It's really good. But we're letting this heat up. And we're going to go with it. It's getting there. Yeah, so far I've got 1 jar of this stuff, the salsa stuff, 1 jar of chicken, and 1 cup of yellow cornmeal mix. Yeah, yellow cornmeal. I'm going to put that back in there. I'll seal that up here in just a bit. Alright, so I'm going to bring y'all back over here as far as I can without being completely out of the picture. Gosh, I hate this tripod, y'all. Now I'm just going to do little patties. And you know what? I'm going to use the smaller spoon for this. Oh, don't you go in there. Turn this down a little bit. Now I had used some of this stuff on my little burrito thing. So it wasn't that much though. It's gonna be good, y'all. At least I think it will be. Let me get a plate down for this. My purple plate. It's actually purple. A really good friend of mine gave this to me. We get some napkins, or paper towels rather. So we can drain that grease off. And a spatula. I don't even want the spatula, I want a different one. There we go. Turn that back up a little bit. I want it to turn out good and crispy and all that good stuff. And because of the cheese, it's going to seem like it's really sticking. But as it crisps up, it doesn't stick like that. It'll come off. That's the cheese doing this, okay? Yeah, let that cook for a minute longer. So this is something quick and easy, and you have just about everything you need in here except for a good vegetable. And you can slide any vegetable into here with it being unnoticed by a child. Okay, you cut it up small enough, you can get it in there. Corn would be a good one. You know, things like that. Let's see if I can get this to flip. Oh, yeah. Yeah, y'all. It's going to be good. Y'all see that beautiful brown? Now, it's a little bit hard to flip. Gosh, let me try to adjust this so y'all can look at me. It's a little bit mushy, so it's kind of a little bit hard to turn it. So don't make them too big. You want to be able to still turn it. And it's mushy because of the cheese that hasn't hardened yet, you know, from frying. So, yeah. So don't make them too big, okay? Don't make them too much bigger than your spatula. Oh, these are going to be so good, y'all. Golly. Golly. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. I'm going to go ahead and, let me see if I can adjust that. I'm going to flip these over so you can see the bottom. You see, this is how long it took to fix them. See the bottom? That's what you want it to look like. Ouch. Oh gosh. And if you're not careful, they will fall apart. But they are so worth it. They're good. Your kids will love them. You can do them in like nugget style, you know. Just doing little droplets. Like a little teaspoonful. This is how much I've gotten out of it so far, and I only used half of it. So it was 1 jar of chicken, 1 jar of the salsa stuff, and 1 cup of the yellow cornmeal. Let me move this thing again. I'm gonna have to fix my other tripod. My son tried to fix it. It's broke, okay? But it still ain't working right. I don't know why. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. I'm scared to just stick it in my mouth. Let's try. I think the cornmeal makes it really good. Cornmeal is good, period. Anything, you know, I love cornbread. I especially love cornbread with pinto beans and the juice poured over it. Oh, God, y'all, that's like my favorite thing to eat. And I never fix it because I'm the only one in the house that likes stuff like that. I was raised poor. So, there you go. We ate stuff like that all the time. Y'all should try this. This is a very easy, quick meal. This, I got at Aldi for $1.98 or 99. Of course, I can my own chicken, so this may have cost $1. The content of it, okay? So it's $3, and of course the yellow cornmeal. And I had bought it when it was on sale. And I'm thinking it was buy one, get one free. I cannot remember. So, a cup of that. That's how much this meal cost me. And it is a meal. And if you, like I said, if you want to chop up some vegetables in it, like really fine, disguise it, you can do that in this. And it'll work really well for you. Y'all, my kids, when they were little, they would not eat vegetables whatsoever. They would not eat meat. They all wanted pasta. My oldest son, if he ate pizza, it couldn't have nothing but cheese on it. So, they got that from me. Pardon me, I'm so sorry. When I was pregnant with both of my sons, I couldn't eat meat. It would make me sick. The smell of it cooking made me sick. Okay? So, go figure. I've never been a big meat eater. I eat it, yes. But I can't just take a piece of just chicken and put it in my mouth and eat it. I have to have something to help disguise it. You know, like a sauce or mix it in something. things like that. The only thing that I can really eat without nothing on it is seafood. I was raised mostly in Florida, and we did a lot of saltwater fishing and shrimping and things like that. But when I fish, I have to have tartar sauce. Okay, but shrimp, I have no problem with that stuff. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Y'all have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.